Retaliating to Pakistan's continuous treachery along the LOC, the Indian Army has destroyed 4 Pakistani posts in the Kiran sector. One BSF Jawan sustained serious injuries after being hit by a splinter.
After India's successful surgical strike across the LOC, Pakistan continues to violate ceasefire in Kiran, Arispura, Hiranagar and Sambha sector. Enraged by Pakistan's treachery, the Indian Army has launched a massive attack, razing to pieces 4 Pakistani posts in the Kiran sector. Army used artillery fire and mortar shelling, hitting the Pakistani army from multiple fronts. Attending BSF's Diwali celebration, Jammu and Kashmir's Deputy CM Nirmal Singh applauded Army's response on the border.
जो दुश्मन है और जिस प्रकार का उसका रवैया रहता है तो वो कुछ भी कर सकता है, लेकिन उसके लिए तैयार हैं। हमारे जो है फौज तैयार है, हमारी BSF तैयार है। इन्होंने कहा कि अगर वो ऐसी हिमाकत करेंगे तो जोर से, उससे भी ज़्यादा जोर से उनको जवाब दिया जाएगा।
With tension prevailing at the border, India has also taken a diplomatic stand by calling off the traditional exchange of sweets between India and Pakistani troops along the Wagah border.
At the moment, if I say the firing is not taking place, it has stopped, and in case if they violate the ceasefire, we will retaliate.
Ceasefire violations along the LOC have seen a massive spike since Army desecrated terror launch pads across the line of control. But the rogue Pakistan state refuses to learn lessons. Bureau Report, India Today.
Mandeep Singh, who was killed and his body mutilated by terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir, was laid to rest in his village in Kurukshetra in Haryana. Mandeep's village is both mourning the loss of the brave heart as well as seething with anger against Pakistan.
A teary farewell for a brave son. A proud but devastated family. A note by the Prime Minister himself.
यह दिवाली सुरक्षा बलों के नाम पर समर्पित हो.
And anger against the heinous killers. It was a dark Diwali for Sepoy Mandeep Singh's family as his mortal remains arrived for his funeral.
Mandeep Singh laid his life down fighting for this nation. He was killed by Pakistani terrorists on October 28th and his body was mutilated. Over here you have Mandeep Singh's newly built house. He had his leave in place for Diwali and he was to come home and have a small housewarming ceremony with his family this Diwali. But unfortunately he did come home but wrapped in the tricolor.
Mandeep was laid to rest with full state honours. Political leaders and army officers attended the funeral as a sea of supporters poured in to show their solidarity with the Bravehearts family. There's a strong yearning for justice in the family.
आर्मी में ज्वाइन करके उनकी पोस्ट पे ही एक के बदले 100 दर्द अपने हाथों से उतार के फिर मुझे ये लगेगा कि मैं अपने भाई का बदला ले सकूं.
The anger against Pakistan pervades the whole village. Even the Chief Minister of Haryana participated in the mourning ceremony and paid his tributes to the martyr.
दुश्मन के साथ उनके दांत खट्टे करने के लिए जो लड़ाई लड़ रहे थे उनको वीरगति प्राप्त हुई है. उनका पार्थिव शरीर आज गांव में लाया गया है और मैं श्रद्धांजलि देने के लिए आया हूं.
Antahari village in Kurukshetra mourns the loss of a national hero, martyr Mandeep Singh. He was cremated earlier today. A sea of supporters came by to give him their final tribute. You had the army also giving him a full-fledged salute.
But as India mourns the loss of its brave son, the question remains, will the killers be made to pay? And how many more brave hearts must make the greatest sacrifice before justice is delivered? With Shalini Loba and Manjeet Singh Sehgal, Bureau Report, India Today.
Meanwhile, Constable Nitin Subhash, who was martyred in a ceasefire violation in Machil in Jammu and Kashmir, was honoured by the BSF before his mortal remains were sent to his hometown Sangli in Maharashtra. Even Prime Minister Modi paid his tribute to the martyr, dedicating this Diwali to our braves.
Another Braveheart lost to Pakistan's backstabbing. Honored before his final journey,
आज का दिन नितिन की शहादत वो इम्पोर्टेंट है हमारे लिए और मैं उसको सैल्यूट करता हूं। हमारी दिवाली इस शहीद को सैल्यूट करने में है।
Constable Nitin Subhash was martyred during yet another ceasefire violation by Pakistan in Jammu and Kashmir's Machil. Nitin's family is devastated. A pall of gloom has descended upon his village.
भारत माता की, भारत माता की।
Even the Prime Minister has dedicated this Diwali to Jawans who have made the greatest sacrifice.
यह दिवाली सुरक्षा बलों के नाम पर समर्पित हो। मैं त्योहार मनाता हूं, खुश होता हूं, मुस्कुराता हूं। ये सब है क्योंकि तुम हो।
As India mourns the loss of 7 brave hearts who sacrificed their lives defending the borders after the surgical strikes, anger against Pakistan's butchery is growing.
The message has been sent to Pakistan that we will hit back. You cannot hit us with impunity. And that was a message which was essential to be sent.
But the opposition is still indulging in politics. Pakistan continues to provoke, but the Jawans too continue to defend the nation against the rogue state of Pakistan. With Ashraf Wani in Srinagar and Kamaljeet Sandhu, Bureau Report, India Today.